Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. So let's take a look again on euro currency. It was a bit bumpy performance action on euro currency, but not because of the euro or some economical news. You probably heard about the incident in the Red Sea when the Houthis actually occasionally or intentionally, it's difficult to say right now, but they cut the important cables that link the Asia and Europe, and actually 25% of the all traffic stands on the hazard in the moment. So currently it seems that has been fixed, this problem, but it was a bit shaky and bring some nervousness on the market. So you could see it's lots of headlines was in the media when the big services Facebook, Google and all of the others have lost the functionality for some time. So currently it seems everything okay, but that has made some showed some impact on the performance of the market, including the dollar, and correspondingly you could see what has happened on the euro currency. On the daily chart we do not see much of this, mostly it stands on intraday charts. That's why here we just could say the same thing that we have discussed yesterday. So trend stands bullish, context stands bullish, and we suggest that market by normal technical rules should try to challenge the stop and trying to break this area. So the minimum target of this pattern that we have traded yesterday mostly is done with this upper direction, but it's not necessary that upper direction has to stop. So this is just minimum target based on the pattern, but this pattern itself is a part of the larger hand shoulders pattern that we are trading. So from that standpoint, we still have our A, B, C, D pattern based on this big head and shoulders, and still consider some possible upward continuation. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, I do not see something really special, since we have decided that actually bottom of the right arm already stands in place. This should become the continuation of the AB leg. Correspondingly, market has to try to break the neckline and take it out to the top of this B point. That's what stands in the nearer term. Risk factors exist still, so such as European Central Bank meeting tomorrow. Today Powell also will speak in the government, so it's very interesting article on the Barron's today suggesting that Democrats will start pressing Powell why the Fed is not cutting the rate with the current overall decreasing of the inflation, why they still keep rate high. So Democrats are interesting with the strongest stock market, stronger visuality of the overall prosperity before in election year. So as you can see, the economical tools such as regulating of the interest rates now is taking some political nuances. So it's very interesting. And later we get the pearls. So all the stuff are risk factors for the performance, but we're dealing with a particular pattern, and which is actually makes trading plan relatively clear. So here's an validation point. Downside breakout means the failure of the hand shoulders and probably suggests drop lower below the head, as usual happens. When market stands here, it's most probable that it will try to just show some upper direction and challenge the stop. On the hourly chart, currently I do not see something really special. Here's our yesterday performance. That's impact of the dollar strength in the moment of the when attack has become known. Here's, you could easily recognize Gartner's triple to buy pattern, some kind of the ABCD performance. And speaking about the hourly chart, here's indeed it might be just, I don't know, maybe butterfly pattern will be formed or something in the shorter term. So this is kind of the consolidation. I suggest that probably market should try to keep going higher. Besides, if we'll take a look at the cross market analysis, so what we have on the dollar index, market is trying to break the flag pattern down, which is good. And for us, for today's session, what is more important, if you take a look at the fall time frame chart, you could see here a few grabbers. And all of these grabbers suggest drop below the previous lows, downward continuation. For EUR, it means challenge of the previous top. So that's very important. As the same as important yesterday was this grabber that we have used for position taking. Finally, on the 10-year bonds, we do not have also anything, even accident in the Red Sea hasn't triggered some big activity here. Market just showing downside action in the yields, which mostly stands negative for the United States dollar and supports the idea of the possible some appreciation of the euro currency, especially if tomorrow European Central Bank will tell something at least slightly more hawkish, so it might be some additional support to the euro currency. So that's actually all that we have currently on the euro. Context stands bullish. We're considering possible upward continuation. That's actually all that we have.